Today we look into VMEGAI, over 170 languages, access to a 7000 plus voice library, precise lip sync alignment, and so much more. Let's hop in. So first you go on vmeg.ai. Here you have an overview about the tool. It's your AI powered video localization platform where you can translate, localize or dub your videos in over 170 languages and 7000 voices to use. On the top you have the different tools. We will just use the video translator now. So I upload a video of myself, let's look at it. This is a test to translate my voice into another language. This is a test to translate my voice. Yes, it's over and over again. We have original language English. We want to translate it in Spanish. We have one speaker. Now we can choose a voice style. We have the native or with accent. Let's try the native first. And we will allow adjustments to the video speed. So VMEG can adjust the video to optimize the output. And we hit submit. As we can see, the generation will take like a minute. Let's skip it. And now we have a full interface about the whole translation here. As I stated before, I just repeated a small sentence here. So I have 3 times the same text here, but with different timestamps. On the left we see the original one, on the right the translated one. We can output that. We can adjust some things here like the text, the translated text, the voice clone. We can use system voices like Emilio.
Hola, soy tu asistente de voz digital.
Very nice. Let's take him. And we want to apply this choice to all lines. Confirm. And now it's generating the voice clone for the whole video. If we preview it now.
Esto es una prueba para traducir mi voz a otro idioma.
As we can see, he translated the voice, but not adjusted the lip sync. Here we have this feature, lip sync. It's very important for the lip sync. There is only one face in the video. The head movement is minimal. There is good lighting, so VMEG can do adjustments better. And the video size has to be at least 320 pixels. Let's try it. And it's already finished. It took like a minute. And if you preview that,
Esto es una prueba para traducir mi voz a otro idioma.
It's just amazing. It's so natural. The lip sync is perfect, no deformation, high quality. I'm stunned how good VMEG did that. Back at the interface, we can add subtitles. Let's choose this one. We can adjust the position here. Very nice. The font size. Not to forget, we have a full editor here. We can adjust the length of the things here. Very intuitive, very nice interface. And VMEG has so much more features to discover. Let's try to add subtitles to our video. We upload a video. Now we have a German original language. Let's play it. Das ist ein Test, der ein bisschen schwieriger ist für dieses Tool. Let's see what VMEG does with it. We'll add auto-detect original language. We want target language English. We want subtitles, this one, and we hit submit. So we already finished with analyzing the video. He auto-detect our language German. It's Austria. That's very nice. As you can see, it translated the same sentence in different English ones, but all of that are right. Let's see the preview. Das ist ein Test, der ein bisschen schwieriger ist für dieses Tool. Das ist ein Test, der ein bisschen... The timing is perfect. It's on point with German voice. The subtitle is nice. VMEG has also a transcription feature, video to text. Let's try it. So we have 2 modes to choose from, a balanced, good quality, or accurate, fast, high precision. Let's use the balanced one speaker, original language. Let's auto-detect it because it just works. Now he would take the original language and transcript it. We want to translate it in a different language. Let's use Japanese and we hit submit. The speed at VMEG is just awesome. He did that like in a minute, and VMEG did again a really great job. The generation was so fast, under a minute. He transcripted the whole video here. It's accurate. It's exactly that what it said in the video. Here we have the Japanese translation here. We can download the original one, the translated one. Very nice, very good. VMEG also offers a text-to-speech feature. Let's try the text-to-speech. Let's put in here. This is a test for this tool to test some things. You can choose the language of the text, a voice. On the right we can choose out a voice. Let's see.
Hey, I'm your digital AI voice.
Hey, I'm your digital AI voice.
Hey, I'm your digital AI voice.
There are so many voices to choose from. Let's take this one. We can also upload a whole SRT file, and let's just hit generate voice. And again, VMEG is so fast at generating results. Let's have a look.
This is a test for this tool to test some things.
Very good. We can download it as an MP3 file. Just awesome and so easy. To the pricing of VMEG, you have in the free already included 1-minute translation, 6 minutes subtitles, 30 minutes of transcription, access to all voices, 1080p resolution. On a paid subscription you have even more video translation minutes, subtitle minutes you can cancel anytime, lip sync is available, unlimited voice cloning and so much more. Very nice. If you want to try it out, just search VMEGAI on Google or click the video in the link description. See you in the next one.